So now let's look at solving multiple step equations. Solving multiple step linear equations. I'm using the word linear here because we have just one variable. In this case, we'll use x in our example, but it's just x, not x squared or cubed, or and there's just one variable, so it would be called saying that we're solving a linear equation. So I'm going to write some steps on this side while we work out the example alongside it. So the example we're going to do, I'm going to make sure it's a little longer so that we can get all the different steps in. 3 parentheses 2x minus 5 end parenthesis plus x equals 3x plus 1. Okay, so whenever we have an equation like this, lots of variables, lots of numbers going on, notice we have our equal sign. First step is to deal with the parentheses. So distribute. So let's distribute this 3. So we'll have, so here's my step 1, we'll have 6x minus 15. Everything else comes down. It's important to stay organized, bring everything down as we go. Step 2 now we want to combine like terms on each side. Combine like terms on each side. So just, we're not going side to side yet. One thing too that kind of helps us keep track that I like to do sometimes is draw a line down the middle where the equal sign is. So right now, just on the left side, I can put together this 6x and this x. So together that'll be 7x. And I'll bring down the minus 15. On the right side, I look at this, nothing I can do. I can't combine anything, so just bring down the 3x plus 1. So now, on to step 3. Now I can go side to side. So I want to get the variable terms on one side. Get variable terms. I'm doing a lot of, just abbreviating, shorthand my steps here. Get variable terms on one side, and then the constants on the other. Okay. Here too, sometimes it helps to, one thing I do sometimes is think, okay, here's my variable, put a little v above that. This is a constant, the 15 is a constant, 3x is a variable, 1 is a constant. So now I can kind of look, okay, I got to get my v's, my variables on the same side, and I got to get my c's together on the same side. Or sometimes people like to circle the variables and underline the constants or something like that. So what I'm going to do is, if I look at my variables first, I got 7x and 3x. So I think the 3x will be easier to move. So right now, if I want to basically make it gone on this side, there's still addition going on. So I'm going to subtract 3x, because then 3x minus 3x is gone. So now if I do it on the right side, though, I have to do the same thing to the left side to keep it balanced. So now 7x minus 3x, I can put those together, 4x. Now I'm just going to bring down the minus 15. You can maybe put a little arrow. Bring down the positive 1, the plus 1, which I could just write as 1 now. So since I got my variables together, now I have to get the constants on the same side. So since I got the variables over to the left, I want to get the constants to the right. So that means to do that, I'm going to have to add 15. Move that 15, get it over to the right side. So now I've got 4x equals 16. Okay, so now step 4 is typically, this isn't all the time, but typically it's going to be to divide by the coefficient. Typically that's going to be kind of our last step to get the x alone. So if I divide by 4, since this is 4 times x, so divide by 4, so that 4 divided by 4 is 1x, or just x. I could do 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, so that should be my answer. I'm going to add a step 5. It's always a good idea to do a check. So let's do that to this equation. 3 parentheses, so I'm going to go back up to my original equation. Every time I see an x, I'm going to plug in 4. If I plug it in and I work this all out on this side, work it out on the right side, I should get the same thing. So 3 parentheses 2 times 4 minus 5 n parentheses plus 4 should equal 3 times 4 plus 1. So let's work out the left side. 2 times 4, that's 8 minus 5. So all this in parentheses is 3. So I've got 3 times 3 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, side 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1, yep, that's also 13. So it checks out.